Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be unboxing a small leather good that I've recently purchased. I'm also going to try without making this video too long to show what I can possibly fit into this item. If you like small leather goods and you enjoy watching unboxing videos, keep on watching. So I've taken it out of the box and I'm now going to get to the actual reveal of the item. I'm going to take out the ribbon. I've heard people say that their items came through without the ribbon, so I feel quite lucky to still have the ribbon in mine. Now I'm struggling to untie that. It's done. Vuitton, put that to side. That's my receipt envelope. It says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton," which is cute. And this is the box, the clasp there. Items come in this dust bag. Says Louis Vuitton on there. I'm going to reveal the small leather good. It is the Louis Vuitton Cosmetic pouch in the Monogram canvas. Wow. It is beautiful. Just inspecting that round and it looks perfect. The stitching looks good. It's got the round shape and flat base. I'll just go over the features of this cosmetic pouch. In terms of length, it is 6.7 inches, a height of 4.7 inches, and the width is 2.4 inches. It's got the golden brass hardware and the zipper closure. The zip's got on there Louis Vuitton. Don't know if you can see that. And it's got the leather trim, treated leather trim on either sides there. Just going to open that. Smooth. The zip is quite smooth there. So inside there's a flat pocket and it's made with handmade textile lining, and the color in there is like a beige light brown color. The textile notes on there says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Because it's a textile lining, it should be easy to clean, and the stamp on there says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So that's another piece from France. I'm quite pleased with this. I've heard people describe this as being made with one piece of leather, so it goes round. You have the LV here, and because it's just one piece going around there, it will be upside down on the other side here. So I'm quite pleased with this. I'm happy with the size of it and the way it looks. It's just a really beautiful piece. So I'm just going to show what I can fit into this cosmetic pouch. I'm going to be putting some items in from the daily essentials that I take out with me. My eyeshadow palette, my powder, my favorite lipstick, another lipstick there, fit lip gloss, and my brush. These are the items I consider my daily essentials that I would want to take out in a cosmetic pouch, and as you can see, it does fit nicely in there. I am quite pleased with this item. This is another versatile piece from Louis Vuitton. It can be used as a cosmetic bag, as I've just demonstrated here by fitting in my cosmetics. I know some people also use this as a catch-all to put into their bigger handbags. I have also seen 1 or 2 videos on YouTube where people have been able to convert this cosmetic pouch into a nice cute bag by attaching a gold chain to it, so then they're able to carry it as a shoulder bag. So that is my new small leather good, and I am quite pleased with it. It is in the Monogram canvas, and it's just beautiful. The size works perfectly well for me. So thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed watching, kindly like, share, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notification when I upload other videos. I also have other handbag videos on YouTube, so do please check those out as well. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.